Hi, I'm Dear Franz. This is After Effects, and let's see today how to import some clips or images into After Effects, add them to your project, add them to your timeline, and how to delete them from your video, from your project, from your timeline. Okay, firstly, let's go to File, File, Import, File. This is my Explorer. Let us choose something. For example, those 2, 3. They can be images, they can be clips, whatever. Okay, new composition we have. So let me click on chosen image, file or clip and drag and drop it to the timeline and do it to all of them. Now I have 3 clips here. You can see them. But for example, you did what you did and then you have to remove something. So in this case I will do left click of my mouse, I choose the image I have to delete and then click on edit and clear. Okay, the same with this image, and if I want to remove it in a total, I'll do the same. Choose, edit, clear. Yes, delete. To delete few of them, I'm holding Shift, choose both, edit, clear, delete. That's it. Thank you. Bye.